guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you see here, we have a foam core board that I got from Walmart. So I am using this shirt that I have and the size that I want the shirt to be in on the board. I am tracing that out so all of my board sizes can be the same. Okay, so I am tracing it out with a regular pencil or a pen, whatever one you choose, and I'm using a 10 by 11.25. So then I'm going to go using an X-Acto blade or whatever type of blade that you have, preferably a styrofoam cutter, because that will help it to be a little bit straighter, because mine wasn't as straight as I would have liked it, but it still did the trick either way. I ended up having to go back with a ruler and cutting the lines a little bit straighter on the end. So you guys make sure you try to avoid that. This board has lines on it already, but it seemed like my blade was going a little rogue, so it wasn't as straight as I wanted it. But make sure that in the end you have 6 of these 10 by 11.25 inch boards, and just go along and trace them all out. If you need to, you can cut little squares in the beginning. Either way, just as long as you have 6 of the same size boards. Okay, so once you put them all together, I'm going to show you guys how to tape it down. Okay, so here you want to tape completely across the middle, and you want to make sure that you tape where the 3 at the top connect. Okay, so tape the 3 at the top together and then tape all the way across the middle. All 6 boards should be connected at the middle, and then at the bottom they should be completely loose like this so they can be moved. All right, now we are going to go ahead and take our design. It can be your design, whatever you feel. We're going to use Oracle 651, and we're going to cut with the Silhouette Cameo 4. You guys can cut with your Cricut, you can cut with your Cameos, whatever you feel like cutting with, as long as it gets cut out. All right, so we're going to take our design, completely weed it. At the bottom there, I got a little heavy-handed, excuse me. And then I'm going to take some application tape, which is also Oracle, that I got from Michael's, and I'm going to smooth it over with my infamous cake scraper. You guys use whatever you have that's flat. Now we are going to take our image and we are going to put it down on our board, and do as you know. Pull the application tape back. If it starts to lift, just smooth it over again. We're going to do the same thing for the bottom. You guys can use your whatever you want to do. You can decorate this however you want. Be creative. Now this part was a little extra. Again, you guys can be creative. You can put plastic envelopes or whatever you want to put. I used some standard envelopes and I put a little Mod Podge on the back of it, and then I stuck them down to the part of the board that flips up. So I wanted them to be sideways, because if you're having it sitting somewhere sideways, you don't have to worry about the stuff falling out because the envelopes are sideways. So you can make sure you use whatever type of envelopes you want, whatever, but that's what I used. So now you're going to take some Velcro dots and you're going to take those and stick them at the opening of the envelope. And the Velcro dots come with both of the connecting parts, and they stick on the back. So you guys make sure you get some of that. I didn't want to just close the envelope because I want to reopen it at some point to take the stuff that I'm going to have in it out. and put it back. Okay, so here I'm going to take some stickers that I have from my merch line. If you guys have not seen that, check that in the description box below. That's Marcella's Way merch for this channel. MW Clothing is what it's called. So you guys make sure you get that from www.minitingzcustoms.com. So now I am going to flip it around, do the exact same thing to the other side. I have some string that I use for my hang tags. You can put safety pins, whatever. The whole point of these little bags or these little envelopes is to have a quick way to access the stuff you need to bag up your inventory or bag up your shipment. And so these are going to be the same Velcro dots. The whole purpose of that is so the board doesn't fall apart when it's being stored. All right, and here we go. So that worked out great. For you guys that have not had the opportunity to get a real one from the store, this will definitely hold you. I got this inspiration from the group, the squad on Facebook. One of the members of the group, his name is Mac. He definitely inspired me. You guys check him out. I'll make sure I leave his link or his name. And so that's where my stickers are. I got these little organza bags for just a little gift for when I ship out. So thank you guys for being patient with my left hand. I am very left-handed and very awkward, so please forgive me if I am covering the camera at any point. Thank you guys, as usual, for coming back to Marcella's Way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you. Make sure that you guys are being creative. You can use whatever color board. You can use whatever color vinyl. You guys make sure that you are sending those pictures of those boards over to minitingz4 on Instagram. I would love to see the pictures that you guys have. And you guys just are amazing. Thank you. Thank you.